Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use CarTube to watch YouTube in your car. I'll guide you through a simple method to get YouTube on your car's display. But always remember, safety first, never watch while driving. Let's jump into the solution. CarTube is an app that lets you stream YouTube and other platforms directly on your car screen. The setup is straightforward. Connect your device using Bluetooth or a wired connection through CarPlay, and you'll have access to YouTube in no time. Stay tuned as I walk you through the entire installation process, step by step. Before we begin, let's adjust a few device settings. Head to your device's settings, tap Battery, and ensure that low power mode is turned off, as it might interfere with the app's functionality. Then, go to General, select Background App Refresh, and confirm that it's set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. With these steps out of the way, we can start the installation. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a reliable source for modded apps. Search for CarTube and select it from the results. A page with details like download statistics and user ratings will appear. Click the Download Now button to begin the process. The installation is quick, and you'll get a confirmation once it's complete. If the confirmation doesn't show up right away, you might need to download additional files as the website may ask you to verify. But don't worry, it's safe and simple, and the website provides a clear guide to help you finish the process. Once done, everything should work seamlessly. I've already installed it, and it's running perfectly. And that's it. That's how you can get CarTube up and running. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. If this tutorial helped you and everything is working well, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful guides. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to assist. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.